Kini kita Ration MEGHALAYA bagi yang subhai pi baro sya ketuk kubor meta ke janbiet. Shoban pash ki kubor ke bebnyang petrai ke mat pekongsan. Pelat ke MEGHALAYA ya ke Torres Badi ben kentiu ya ke jengsngan kinung jengok kai birthday. Kedua keti ke BJP ke Kongres halor ke mukot duma National Herald. Kedua kaniri ya ke pumpum surok pun kedau ke jengjabo berkongsan habar nihat. Bat kintu penrung kerteng Aadhaar ke DC ke East and West KHASI Hills na ke bentaki skim babha bamian. Ki kubor ki bebnya. Hadin ke jingja bedang shen ya we unong wan jungok kai perthei ke tengah kam jungok kai perthei ka jelak la shimya ka we ka sinjam bathamai ha ka beidei ba ka jingsngan kata ban pha ye ki Torres Badi ki balayo jengi kai ki jaka jungok kai perthei ba khampau jong ka jela kum ka sora dauki maulenong bat shlong u director ka tanat kam jungok kai perthei ba Herald viding do laong ba kini ki samla na po ka than kin long kum kinong juba baning kong ki ban ai ka jingi rap akinu ki jingja ba kerke first aid haringkat ke jing tre lang bat ki bor bedikmi ke jing tmu jong ke sin jam kalong ban kentiu ke jing sngan ya pedeng kinong jong kai perthei da ka bapen ko bor ye ki brio na po ka than ban long kum kinong kersan ba kongsan na ka benda gitu ki bon jong kai la da don kinu ki jing ja ki bakerki.
So the government has thought it best that we have a concept called tourist buddies, which we have also advertised. We are trying to get more applicants because the number of applicants was not too many. What we're doing is, the concept is very simple. In certain tourist locations, we are encouraging local youth from that area to apply as tourist buddies. These buddies will act as tourist guides. They'll be trained to look at first aid and emergency services if required, and they'll be the first responders to the tourists, both from the perspective of providing information to tourists as tourist guides and general information about the location, and also as emergency responders in case tourists require something or there's a certain complaint.
General Secretary ke BJP MEGHALAYA uba wan kit bok poshna ulaong ba umde ben shim ya ka jing bam ai jing bit badang shen na ka benta ka jing ya procession ki Kristan ha Delhi kum ka jing pen ken ki hok be de ba ka jing ya nyam ula banjur ba ka hok jong ka riti sin shar halor ka jing lai luoj man mani ka no ka ja nyam ka yai peteng ban yo ka jing ya da ki jing kren jong u ki long hadien ki jing ken thog blami na ka ken hon ka balang Catholic Kablanyo ya katiga jing perking banyak procession ha kasngi utrai selatlai. Da ka bakado bakalong ka jing pendik bat ka jing bamihap.
Denying permission for something which the government has put out, maybe the law enforcing agencies have put off their point to deny the permission. So that should not be looked out as something, like infringement of religious rights. We are free to practice the faith which we want. No, in Delhi also they're free. Delhi also they're free. I think people go to church. Palm Sunday was celebrated in Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, as we can see everywhere. It was celebrated with fervor and with piousness. And there's nothing. The only thing is that, if I'm not mistaken, because I did not go through, they were denied to walk a procession from a particular church to the other, but they were not denied permission to worship within the compound.
Hadin ke jing mudui jong ke Enforcement Directorate Persya ke Sonia bat Rahul Gandhi ha mukot duma National Herald General Secretary ke BJP MEGHALAYA ba wan kit bok posna ula kno ke Kongres ha ke ban sandur ya ke jing sela ni corporate conspiracy ban mentoi ke longyeng Gandhi bat ban kinria na ke jing kit clear ula bo jing keliru la ke Kongres bat ka bam sap menta ke long kumjo bat ong ba omla ban pen ki ke jing sngo jung ki pat ba ling ba ki jing ki halor kamat ke be dei ba ke jing khayi deu yong be an ha po ke jelau ba posna ula pentikna ba ko komiti wat binya ke BJP ke dang tokit halor kani bat kentu ban pha kinu ke jing ujor shakaseng halor kani ke benta.
If you look at the National Herald case, it did not happen just today. It started off with a complaint, right? So I'm sure anything where there is a complaint, it will transpire to its logical end. So National Herald case is one thing which the complaint started in 2012. So the case went on, and now, material facts has brought to it where it stands today. So I'm sure what we are trying to put is that, if there's anything against, it should be brought to the public domain. If you look at, when it comes to the allegation of coal also, we have set up a fact-finding committee which is still working. Now time has been extended, I think, so the fact-finding committee on illegal coal. So we are working on it.
Ka jingwat bnya badang shan da National Environmental Engineering Research Institute kalapani thu ya ka pum surok kum kadaw ka ba khmat ka ba sinyang sa ka jingjabo kal bernihan ka ba long khampalat banya ki jingpen mi ni ki karkhana hapo ka than kani ka jingwat bnya haringkat ka jingkersan jong artli ki jingpet bnya ne emission test ki kadaw ba ka pum ka ba mi na ka jingyat ki kali ga de ka daw ka ba khmat jong ka jingjabo hapo ka than MEGHALAYA State Pollution Control Board Klaterwash ka National Highway Authority of India ban pendat ikitiar sendet ni water mist ni sprinkler hasilin tar ka surok ba ban peduna ni telakam ya ka pumpum hakal air.
Kebanangkong kontributor ni kebanangkong tu berpencak liaya ka air hagitain pan ya kare ka road dos dan ni pumpum ke bami nak habaya ki kali nama distrok situ kimdalang ke bada bahado kata hado ki pavement ki kita kim ba tabo berhabayan dan ke movement ni jinja jum kili wahero to pumpum to number one contributor road dos nila ai gawai ke proposal ki ba let's say to median diversion nila banle diki kinja mist na ni sprinkler mar utu pumpum uba mi na surok la radan kum ta gijing sa ki spray unduna shibone dan mata ka proposal rang ya shipment ni nang det ka ba inspection Ikmiliti ba nagating itrailang nila man job juga ni.
Ka Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern West KHASI District ka kong Anita Karpor ka lakentu kinong song ka district ban penrung kerteng Aadhaar ban penia so sigi kam sakri ka sarkar khanang ban yo bentah ki ya ki scheme ka bha kamya ka sarkar jilla ba sarkar pedeng kumjo. Habak range ka lapatai khubor ka kong Karpor ka lakadaw halor ka jingdon kam ka Aadhaar na ka benta ka jing sam Ration ki program prepare ka ICDS ki kam ki bedei ber ka aganwadi ba ki jingmentoy ka liang ka puli puthi ber ban banjur ka Aadhaar ka pentikna ka jingsuk ka liang ki jingyo benta ki bedei hok kat ba ka jing penung kerteng kamlong ka bedon kam ka kong Karpor ka laong ba ki jing persang ban pensu thu pat ba ki dang ya ling ba ki block development officer ban pen shlori ki jing penung kerteng ha ka por ka babiang
kani ka jing ling jong ka Aadhaar ne but ka Ration card namta bat kini ki ICDS schemes namta kini ki jing treasury pasmi kini kamde na ka sarkar Meghalaya ba pingi yo yaki funds ki schemes na ka sarkar na ka government of India dia ka government of India ka la part de ki city ban penlong mandatory kum hap na kaliang jong ka food and civil supplies nila yo pdang ni ki city bakin le ka compulsory ya ka EKYC ya ka EPOS but bengin le ki Aadhaar linkage but ki Ration card
ka Office Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern West KHASI District Mairang kalaptha e baro ki nong tre sarkar bakentu ki ad hoc ban nong kai deficit ban IT no ki ka Ration NFSA hapo ka lai potrik wi yong 8,000 arpusan ka hukum kala kado ya ka jingbam sha hapo ki kendon ka NFSA ber kado ru ka jingdon kam pendon kam bakla ya ki jingyo jingmentoy kat kum ka jinglum jingtip ka blakut jong ka SECC 8,000 khatway Kajing bum ko ungo ia kani kan kring ki jing pinstom ba perking kat kum kaan haringkat ki jing mentoy ki ban sa pha no pat sha ki long yen ki bedai hok Ka KHASI Snong Sports Association ne kasngi kelapan long kejingan lang bat berklan ki kot batmai bat kinong penyat ha ka ying dorbar ha maukla halor kapang pedeng ngin tur seprang haba ajeng kren ha ka kejingan lang u MLA kenong po uba Herald bonds e mulai ro kejing terekam jong ka seng ha ka ban ketiu ha ka liang kejingan lek kai ba kejingan teli hari boy ula banjur halor kejing.com jong kejing ket kliet lang ha ka ban ketiu ka roi ka par ka im lang ka saalang bat pen ku bor ki samla Kani kajing lang kala long ru kajing petmai ki kular na baro ki dukot ban pene kajing temu bat ban penyari kajing yo i jengai jo kaseng hakani kathan
KHASI Sport Association menegaski balayo priskep nika kanyo tarik jong ne April dausnem ada usan kan ne kan trei kan yai trei ki por ki banwan naga banta ki kam ki jithu ki ba hi la don banbu berti naga banta ki matri kam joka association
La saki kajing sebentar ki lakmut ki riunget na kelengkari India bat kiri pemarjan kum ke Nepal bat Bangladesh ha ka Sri Charantala kali Puja bat mela ka ba malau snem ka bla penlong na du ka khat sau trek ka du khat riu trek mentau benai ha ba bet para ha West Garo Hills kani kajing le anyam ka blai ngilenter ka tenrai ha ka khanatang jong ka than ka bla sedang nadu usnem khat kandai spa an riu pusan kala kutno ka khat riu trek mentau benai da kajing sebentar ki pat ba ringkat kajing terwa kajing tuwai kajing kenya tenrai sha kablai kali kinong yat pilgrim na keleng kejela jong kari India kelawan bani shembenta kinong wan jong okai klasa ha kejakasa besipor ki bobon ki kidai ki bla baiting kaling ba ka scheme BRGF Ka FKGGP Southwest KHASI Hills bat ka kong Shidalin Linkhoi ka beriga try jaka jong ko umjarin sub center ne ka sngi lekin do deputy commissioner jong ka Southwest KHASI Hills district uba bi maulong bandawai ka jipins camcam na ka benta ka kong Shidalin ka bala tray kum ka nong tray casual da ki post nem ka kong Linkhoi ka la tray na du usnam 8,000 khat ar klem ka jing ithu ka bapura Haba ajeng krench kelap patai kubor hadir ke jingilang president ke FKGGP uba kenes nonglan. Ulama man khang no ke sub center lada ka tenat ke kuat ke kia kamla pen pendep ya ke kular balabo na ke benta ke nong ai jaka. Lala ban kedo baya ke ni ke jaka la ai sobha ke kong Linkhoi baladep ya soiru ya ke sos kular ke jingite pedeng jongka ba ke tenat ke kuat ke kia ke bekentop ke jing pentiknai ke kam ke baskem na ke benta ke jongka.
Naduk ba ngilayok jeng tip ba kini kita jaka kila ai sobhai ni ga sob sentar ha unjaran naduk sne marjar sipau kat kum ke agreement hari na kaliang jung di trajaka ilayok bantre kum casual haus ne marjar ka ar bunai bakat wei haduk menta na kaliang jong ke department ki kat kum ki agreement ke baki kaliate kimpat la ayaga permanent pus na kaliang jong di trajaka Tina kaliang jong aseng iwan na sengi bani kendo yodisi ngilayok bani keren bat lokular kmat jongi ban sim khiai gani kam ban ya penbej rangkat badu di MSO bat ban ngikermen ba inasayo ya permanent pus na kaliang jong trajaka ke badai hok ke bal ice sobhai gani jaka ban sinang sob sentar hapo umjaran
Yau hati klau belayap nak kedau jong ka jingsha bat boarding electric hajar khat saumer habernihat la thangno nen kesngi hadir ke jing tokit ya kini kerukom thang la pendep da doktor katnat animal husbandry haringkat ki nong trei ki bakentup ru district forest officer Shillong kinong snong kila lap yau teu hati kesngi baar bat kila pentip shiki bor ki badikmi ki marat klau la pendep ke jing thangkat kum ki kendon an wildlife Protection Act but dang up ya ka kai pot bakat do halor ke jagyam
After this incident we come to know as per procedure we have to dispose of carcass under Wildlife Protection Act. There are disposal of wildlife article rules 2023 as per that committee has already been made. Then we all members were present and then in their presence only this carcass is burned. Now this actually veterinary department has done a post-mortem report They have not given their official report. Still, prima facie, what they revealed to us is that this is death due to electrocution. This is unnatural death, and they will submit report through their competent authority to us.
Mentang ni pek kejeng long jaman kesum neng hatura kejeng kena kelong 40 degree Celsius kejeng shit kelong 40 degree Celsius kejeng ngem kau hau kelong prapu prana kasispa. Haba pai pat shenong ba shenlong kejeng kena kelong 40.0 degree Celsius kejeng shit kelong 40.9 degree Celsius. Kejeng ngem kau hau kelong kendai pesau na kasispa kejeng ap slap kelong 40.9 millimeter. Kat bahajawai pat kejeng kena kelong 40 degree Celsius kejeng shit kelong 40 degree Celsius. Kajing ngem kau hau kalong prapunyo na kasispa kalap ndon kajing hap slap hajawai tu rabat shelong hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Shawan boy shak bakut jong tup kuboy pe biang sesi ni kimat pekongsan. Belat ke MEGHALAYA ke Torres Body ban kentiu kajing shngan kinong jong kai perthai. Kedokti ke BJP ke Kongres halor ke Mukot Duma National Herald. Kedau geniri ke pumpum surok kum kadau ke jeng jabok berkongsan habernihat. Bat kentu penrung kerteng Aadhaar ke DC ke Eastern West KHASI District nak betaki skim ke bha kemian. Te perlok tung lapoi sapukut jang thup kubor jing mata ke jan biet hadu mindi shambang philasai kesngi kublei phi paro.
आज माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने आज अंतरिम आदेश